the fridge is full of food. So I want to show you. We have mangoes and sparkling waters and ginger ale. And here we have some, whoops. This is a cashew bar. And this, it looks like some kind of a bread. There's an onion and some ginger and a garlic. There's pistachios and crackers and Parmesan cheese. Here we have another onion and potatoes, jujubes, spaghetti sauce, granola, more assorted wine gummies. On the bottom row, we have, this is the pear juice that I had a glass of. And here are these lovely organic bio dates. More water, more water, more water, and maple syrup. Oh, and of course there's the chips. So there's lots of food here, but I am restraining myself, and the only thing I've been into was the pear juice. So there's lots of tea, and of course you can see here that I had my water with lemon, and it's all good.